Before we start working on making our own custom adjustments using the Develop module, let's take a look at some of the screen modes Lightroom offers. Screen modes allow us to expand the size of our Develop area. This comes in handy if we run out of screen space when working with large images. To adjust your screen mode, go to Window and then Screen Mode. You'll now see a number of options. Click on the second option here, Full Screen with Menu Bar. This screen mode will convert your Lightroom interface so that it occupies the full width and length of your screen display while preserving the menu bar at the top. You'll also notice that all your panels have been minimized. This includes the left panel, the right panel, and the panel here at the top. Now go back to Window and select Full Screen. With full screen mode, you can see that even the menu bar at the top is no longer visible. If you're using one of the full screen modes, to bring your panels back to the view area, just click this small arrow over here. Each panel group does have one, and they're fairly easy to use. And then there's full screen with preview. So this is completely blacked out the rest of the screen, and we have a full-size preview of our image. To exit this mode, I'm going to press the Escape key on my keyboard, and it's going to restore me back to my previous view. So I'll go back to Window and select Normal. So with Normal, all our panels are now visible, including the navigation menu at the top. Sometimes when you're making adjustments to an image, you may want to dim the lights behind the image. And to do that, press the L key on your keyboard. If you press the L key just once, it dims the background to about 80%. If you dim it again, it dims it to 100%. So it's completely black behind the image. So that's just another great way of isolating your image from any background distractions when you're working.